YouTube, welcome back to, well, what is it YouTube, welcome back to a video. This is just an extra, because you've got a few people asking me, Windy Shows has just hit 1,000 subscribers. She has asked me to make a video on how to sign into AdSense. So from what I can remember, you need to go into my channel, I think so. This is a tutorial how to sign up for AdSense. So, where is it? I have to go to my channel. My channel, there we go. Click. I'm on my phone, so make sure you go into the desktop version. So go into Google, type in YouTube, and it should come up. Do you want desk? Then when you come on, you click the top three buttons to say put it in desktop mode. So, as you're on it now, now I'm on my channel, you need to go on to, I think you need to go into, oh, well, for goodness sake, stop loading. Right, cool. So now this is going on. Should be loading to come onto my channel. Oh, the Wi-Fi's down. Oh, here we go. So I click these. I think I have to click the analytics button here where it says how many views you've got. Perfect. Now it comes down to here, and I think you need to go onto dashboard. Dashboard. I don't come on here often, but I thought I'll make a video on things. Anyway, that's not correct, is it? Channel, it should come down with all the options to say what you can and can't do. Here we go. So now you come onto this screen where you've got all this, and I've got all this enabled, not enabled. So I need to click onto this. Monetization. Click on learn more. So as this is going, this is what you need to do. So it comes up, you need to accept the YouTube partner program, and done that. Then you AdSense request, and monetization preferences set. So, and then I need to reach this. Get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. So, I do hope I get this. This is in the past, how long I've been doing this. I need 1,000 needed for review. So when you come on, this is what you have to do. And then I've put my address in. So if you go into guideline informations, so I put my address in, so when my paycheck, touch wood, will come through, when I've got enough money, it will come through to my address. But obviously I don't want to share that because that would be daft and stupid. So it goes, once your video being submitted and approved monetization, YouTube will place an ads inside or near the video. After you've associated an AdSense account with your YouTube account, you will earn revenue that is generated from the adverts. How much will my videos earn? Earnings will depend on a number of factors. The two key factors are the type of ad and pricing of ads appearing with your videos. Let's put that one away, if it will go. What type of videos are eligible? So guys, you can pause this here. I'm not going to read it all out. You can pause it here now if you want. Then it goes here again. You can pause this here. Now I'll leave you 5 seconds to pause. Done that. So put that away, and then it'll go here. Review your agreement with YouTube. So advertising, YouTube will pay 55% of net revenue. So right, you can pause it here and read that. There we go. Move down to here. You can pause and read this. I'm just going to scroll slowly down. And you can pause at what point you'd need to be. So I've put all mine in. my details and that, so they'll send it. Make sure you need to put you need to put a date in of your date of birth, so anyone over 18. So I've just put one of my family members' date of birth in, who's over 18. So let's just do a quick recap. Recapping. Right, my connection was interrupted. Here we go. So, you come on to desktop YouTube. And as it's loading, you go to the 3 bars in the corner. And when it comes down, in a minute, when it comes down, you click the My Channel button. Click that. And then it's playing up for me. There we go. So, you click My Channel, and it should load on the grey button. So then you click your 2696 views. Obviously you will not have 2,696 views because that's what my channel has. And as you come along to here now, you'll go on to, I think it's Video Manager. No, it's Channel. Silly me. It's under your channel. So as you click on the channel, it comes right down with how you're doing, and now you click on to monetization. Mine is enabled, but it's not enabled because I've not started earning money yet. But hopefully one day I will. So then you click on here, and then obviously you have to make your account, which I've already made in preparation. And there we go. And then if you need any help, read these buttons in the corner. But guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. And anyone watching, please smash the subscribe button. This is a bit different from what I usually do. You know, I usually do my fish tanks, fish, and what have you. I don't usually do videos like this. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching so much. And I'll see you on Wednesday.